Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Now that we got the window treatment up, let's finally figure out what to do with this floor. I've been procrastinating a little bit because I think it's gonna be a lot of work. Let's move these things out of here, clear some space, and figure out what we're gonna do. Everything is pretty flat over here, but there is definitely significant height level differences over this crack. We can do carpet and cover this up again, but I want to try doing luxury vinyl planking or some sort of laminate because I think it's nicer. Let's do some research on how to flatten it out. Okay, Google AI does say we want to try to get less than 1/8 of an inch over 4 to 6 feet span for this luxury vinyl flooring. Definitely need to grind down the high spots. This is the setup I want to go with. Really like this video by Home Repair Tutor. Let's go shopping. We're back from shopping. These are kind of expensive. I use N95 from the dental office for most of my home improvement DIY projects, but I think it is time for a professional respirator, especially since we are cutting concrete. I'm gonna bring all this inside, make some unboxing shorts, and figure out how to hook that up. All the unboxing shorts are done. I am super excited to use my professional respirator. I actually don't know how to get this onto the angle grinder, so gonna make this its own video right now. We're also doing a second trip to Home Depot because I need an adapter from this to the shop vac. It is not a real home improvement DIY video until we are doing 2 Home Depot trips. Let's make this video and go grab some more things. I ended up getting this one because I think that flexible hose will be something I'll use in the future. The video for this setup should be done. Let's bring that inside, do the unboxing short. It is getting dark pretty quick now, so hopefully we could start drilling tomorrow. Okay, moment of truth. I don't even know what I sound like through this mask. The dust shroud concrete grinding wheel, it's being vented outside. I'm gonna turn on the shop vac. It's probably gonna be really loud. That was pretty fun. I am gonna go change my Birkenstocks into some shoes because this middle piece here did spin off at one point and feels kind of dangerous. The protective gear feels pretty good. I initially thought the crack here was high, but I think it's high right there because when I'm trying to figure out where the high spot is, I feel like it's more here than here. Let's keep working. That was kind of a lot of work and elbow grease, but not too bad. The battery did die, so we have to charge that. It seems to be working. The ruler is sitting much more flat. I'm assuming gonna have to do the rest of the crack all the way over. Hopefully it's not too much work. I don't think I'm gonna film everything because it's nothing new to add to the video. For now, number 328 done.